Ford Ranger, 1997 Ford Ranger. These trucks has this common problem, or these Ford products. See, put my phone right here. This one, see this plate? It's moving. See, not like that. Yeah, it needs to go up and down, but see how it moves. It's got a bushings right here, plastic bushings that wear out. So I'm going to remove this lower part, and I'm gonna have to remove this cover right here, and well, I'll show you what's next. Let's remove this one. There's no screw on that one. Somebody remove it already and change screws. They lost it. Alright, right here we have nothing. I'm gonna remove this switch first, and this switch we just need to pass a small thin rod, push it through, so we can push the pin. Right, like this one, when we push it through here, find
temperature heating and AC,
the pin
standing build,
right there.
Including
Now
ABS,
let's turn the key on.
And tune-up. It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100
we can
in
push
Laguna Heights.
the pin
Open Monday
in.
through Saturday. Turn to the
Now
technician,
we can
Gabriel
pull it
Auto
out.
Technician. Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
Right there. This pin right here. It's the one we need to push it. But we need to turn the key on so we can push this pin in there. See? Right there. Okay. So now we can remove these plastic covers. I'm gonna have to lower the steering columns. I need to remove this part so we can lower the steering column, so we can work on this, so we can replace this bushing. Okay, let me remove this plate and lower the steering column. Okay, you need to be careful with this cable on this truck. This cable is already broken. You need to disconnect it first. Here's the bushings. This one, see? That's why this part moves. Sometimes they get broke, like right here. This part breaks if they didn't change the bushings. But these are the bushings, the plastic bushings. See, right here and right here. So I need to order them so we can put it back. And there's not too much to do on this to put these ones. Hey, let's remove the
Need of auto repair, or do you
bolts
just want to make sure your car is running
right here.
Then turn to your technician, Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for
And
complete
install
auto repairs and full service
bushings.
maintenance. They are AC certified and in full computerized diagnostics.
I was telling you that usually I like to put some grease
It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413
to
Highway
help
100
the
in
bushings
Laguna Heights. Open Monday through
to not
Saturday.
get,
Turn to the technician, Gabriel
get
Auto
damaged
Technician.
too
Gabriel
soon.
Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
See? Okay. There's the 2 bolts. Let's remove the bushing right here. Okay. See, we don't have to like remove this one. We just need to lift it because I'm not disconnecting anything. Just the pulling out the little bit the flute or the rod. Let me push this part. Okay. Now let's pull this one out. See? Now I'm gonna put some grease like I told you. Right here. Here's a lithium grease. White. I'm gonna put some right here on the flute. Alright. Now let's install the bushings. There's one. Now the other one. On the right. Got it there. Push this one down here. Lock that thing. Okay. Make sure the shaft is seated right. See? Because like that. Okay. Don't put the brackets without setting the shaft on its place, because it's very thin and you can break it. Sometimes they didn't change the bushings and this part breaks right here in the middle. That's why it's important to change the bushings. Okay. Okay. All right. See, we got no more play. See, no more play. This one it's normal. Right here it's normal because it's got play on the cable. Right there. Okay. I need to check this wire right here because it's broken.
Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure your car is running right?
Right here, it's
Turn to
broken
your
right
technician,
here.
Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service maintenance.
Broken right
They are
here.
AC certified and in full computerized diagnostics. They will service your heating and AC,
Okay.
fan belts, timing belts, brakes.
See the indicator right there?
It's Gabriel Auto Technician at 413 Highway 100
It
in Laguna
right here.
Heights.
It broke.
Turn to your technician,
The wire right here.
Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.
This one. See the base, the bracket, it broke, this white part. So I'm gonna have to do something right here to hold it in place. See? So we can get the indicator right there on its place. See? I'm gonna put the steering column back on its place, and I'm gonna adjust that cable. Let me remove remove the key. I don't care about that noise, but if you're watching the video, maybe you don't like it. Okay, let me put this one right here on its place. Right there. Let's put these nuts in front. Right there. Now you can let it go. It's hold right there, so we can put the other ones on the back. Okay, let's get this one tight. We need to put something right here on this part. I'm going to start the engine because I'm going to flush the system, the coolant. Because remember I showed you it's got a hole inside the system. Okay, I'm going to start the engine and I'm going to get the tool to tighten the nuts. Let's see off. Strap is missing. Okay, let's get the nuts tight. You don't have to tie too much these bolts because they're got a plastic kind of bushings that holds that steering column. Got it. Let's remove the key cylinder because we need to put the cover right here. Okay, got the cover. Now we can put the switch back on its place. Push this button in, this pin, and put them in right there. Right there. Okay, now we can put the bottom part, this one, right there. Now we need to put the screws in here. Okay. Remember that we have one missing screw. Right there. Now let's put this one off. We need to put this one, but we need to, I'm gonna have to do something with this wire right here. It broke right here. This one broke right here. It's supposed to go right there. I'm gonna have to put some urethane. The urethane that I used to for the windshields. That urethane, it's good for this one. It's kind of a rubber and it sticks to the plastic. Because if you want to put some like glue or crazy glue or something, it's not gonna work. So we need to put that urethane.
Need a lot of repair, or do you
hold it
want
with
to
the
make sure
tape.
your car is running right? Then there's your technician.
See,
Gabriel Auto
I got some urethane right here, and I'm gonna put it
and full service
right
maintenance.
here.
They are AC certified and full
base.
computerized diagnostics.
Or
They will
this
service
one
your heating and AC,
goes
fan belts, timing belts, brakes,
together.
including ABS, oil changes, and tune-up. It's Gabriel Auto Technician.
I'll show it to you. Here, where it goes right there. Here's the broken part. So what I'm gonna, I put that urethane right there, and I'm gonna glue it back in there. I need to hold it. See, I need to hold it with tape or something. get it together, and then I'm gonna sit right there. I'm gonna put some tape. Let me put the camera somewhere. So as you can see, it goes away. Put the camera right here. Okay. Let me put this one. Hold it there. Now I'm gonna put this one. Now you know what I'm gonna put? I'm gonna put a tie. I'm gonna put a tie around here to hold it together. Yep, that's the only thing. And then the urethane is gonna hold it. Okay. Let me put the camera away. Okay. I'm gonna put this tie around here. Right there. It's a good place. Let me show it to you. Okay. As you can see right there, I put the tie around to hold it in place, and then the urethane is gonna get dry, and it's gonna get together right there. I'm gonna leave that tie right there. Now we got that thing on the park. Maybe we need to adjust it, but when it gets dry. Okay, now we can put the metal part. This one. Put it right here. Okay. Let me get the ratchet and the socket. Get it tight. Got the socket. Okay, let's get this bolt tight. All right. Okay, now we need to put this the hood release. This one I'm gonna tighten these bolts, these screws that holds this one with the ratchet, hand ratchet, not with the ratchet, because it's gonna. Now I'm gonna break it. I don't want to break the plastic. Okay, now let's put this right here. Okay, we got everything on right there. Okay, we got it. Got the bushings in. There's no more plate right here. See? Remember, there were lots of plate. This one is normal, but not that movement right there. So right now it shifts right. See? On the right. See, it's working right there.
Are you in need of auto repair, or do you just want to make sure the car is running right? Then turn to your technician, Gabriel AutoTech in Laguna Heights. Turn to Gabriel for complete auto repairs and full service.
But I was checking the switch and everything.
And full computerized diagnostics. They will service
Gear
your
selector, lever.
timing bills, brakes, including ABS, oil changes,
That's it. That's it. It's from here. Need to flush the engine. Put the new antifreeze, new hoses.
Gabriel Auto Technician in Laguna Heights.